head teacher and the first female head teacher of this school. I joined this school January 29, 2024, and I found the school when the performance had gone down. Lukosi Comprehensive School started 1988. The performance was outstanding, with the highest main score of 300.25 the year 2007. But last year, the last KCPE, the performance was very low. It was a main score of 193.75. When I joined the school, I found the school with so many challenges. One of the challenges that we had was the classrooms. We have a total of 15 classrooms, inclusive ECD. 2 of them, one is used as a laboratory for the JS, and one of it is used as IT. And therefore we have insufficient classrooms, and out of the 15, 9 are in a pathetic situation. This has led to some of the learners having GCAS and even continuous flu because of the dust. Hence, I saw to it that this challenge is one of the causes that has led to low performance of the school. In the same line, we have insufficient toilets. We have 350 girls in primary and 60 in ECD, a total of 410 girls, against 6 toilets. The ratio for the girls is 1 against 30 girls, and therefore we have insufficient toilets of around 6 toilets for the girls. We have a total of 300 boys and 40 boys for ECD. Therefore, this gives us a total of 340 boys in the school, while we have only 6 toilets. There is need for us to add 4 toilets so that they are sufficient to avoid wastage of time during break hour. When the girls and the boys go to the toilets, they waste a lot of time because they wait for one another for them to complete and come back to class. Therefore, this is a challenge that we are having that can be one cause of the low performance. Secondly, we have insufficient playing ground. The school sits on 1 acre of land where the classes are built and also the playing ground. So when it comes to co-curricular activities, we don't have enough space for the girls and the boys to practice. And this has led to low performance in co-curricular activities. We also have